Okay, Zoe, what are we making today?
Right, so today we're going to be making a oat and banana marble cake.
Oh, wow. So, let's start.
Right, so we've got our powdered oats today
Okay.
instead of the whole ones that we had yesterday.
Okay.
So pop these ones in.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we've also got
So, we have taken this. Okay, we'll be discussing the quantity later on also.
yeah.
Okay.
No, so yeah, instead of the bananas, because we've got bananas in the other two.
Yeah, we added bananas in these two. In this a red color batter. The same thing, but with a red color, and we'll be making this one a brown. So banana sweetness is quite adequate in it. So that's why we are not. But it depends. If you guys want more sweeter, we can add banana, right, Zoe? I think.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are you doing?
So we've just got some walnuts here, and we're just breaking them up.
Oh, that's going to be crunchy. So that means we're having a crunch also with the marble. That's additional. Great.
Yeah, and then
Okay.
and then we're going to have a half of an egg into this because it's a reduced.
So you added the flour.
Yeah, we've done the oat and we've done the walnuts, and we're going to have half an egg.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have added egg.
Yeah, so we're going to give it just a just mix all the ingredients together.
Mm-hmm.
And we've also got some more wet ingredients that we have to add in, which is the butter and the semi-skim milk.
Okay, so we'll be using butter. Okay. Just almost 2 or 3 tablespoons, right? Okay. And then we are adding milk, semi-skim milk.
Yeah.
Okay. Lovely. So we are making a marble cake that's going to cover red, brown and a white color, and with walnuts. Wow. And it's healthy. Why? Because we are using oat and sweetness of banana only. So for those who are allergic to eggs, so guys, you can omit eggs also. And for those who want more sweetener, you can add your banana content. You can add dates also. You can experiment with dates also. Okay, good. So this is a batter, which is for the white batter, right? Now we have the brown one. Let's make. I think we'll be adding the chocolate powder so that it turns in. So now this is a baking powder, a baking dark chocolate powder. It depends. You guys can take any other one, whatever you like.
Yeah, it's healthier because it's the dark chocolate.
Yeah. Yeah, it's healthy. Yeah, you quoted it right.
Right, so we've got those two. Yeah, the baking powder, it's kind of made the oats fluff up a bit, so which is always
lovely.
Nice and soft consistency.
Yeah, it is.
Smells lovely.
Yeah, it is. It looks nice.
It'll be nice to have all the different colours contrast.
I hope it looks nice.
Sure.
It looks nice, but I think let it turn out to be nice at the end.
Lovely.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
So pop some walnuts in this one as well.
Okay.
Just as an even crunch distribute
Yeah.
throughout the cake. Yeah.
Zoe, I think you should also learn some Urdu.
Yes, definitely. 100%. I'll have to start learning. Right, and then we'll do it in the red cake batter as well.
Okay. So is this your first experience with a Pakistani person?
Yeah, definitely. I've never met one before. Because my friend's Bengali, so she's different.
Okay,
But
good. Looks nice.
yeah. Yeah. So that's that one. Yeah.
have you put this in it?
No.
I think no, because it doesn't look.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So our 2 batters are prepared, ready.
Yeah.
And we have to just finish this one, the white one. The same oat and banana and the same thing. And we are making a marble cake of 3 different colors. I hope it turns good. And we're excited to do it. And this is the white one. Okay, in these 2 we used the whole green, not the whole, but it was, I think, what do we say to that? Is it whole or pressed?
Pressed.
Yeah, pressed oat. Yeah, pressed oat. It's soaked in the milk and butter, and then it gave a good paste look. And this one was a powder. We used a powder. This also gives a good, but this gives an instantly paste. But if you can keep it for if you're using the pressed one, you have to soak it to give a good paste look. Okay.
Yeah.
So now let's make the marble. Finally, now this is a pan again, greased and well with the baking paper placed into it. Okay, now.
Right.
Yeah, like we can just
Is it
whatever you like, colors you can take it out.
Okay, so we'll do. So we'll start off with chocolate.
Okay. Fine.
Yep. That was the chocolate one.
Okay.
And then we can go red.
Red one. Oopsies, look nice.
Yeah. Which will be nice.
Okay.
And then we'll go with the one that was just made.
Okay, that's the white one.
In this corner.
Okay.
Here. Yeah. And we'll just do it in an order like this.
Yeah, looks nice.
Mmm.
Pretty. And it has walnut nuts. It's going to give a crunchy taste, and it's going to be lovely. I love nuts, and I hope many people also like nuts. It gives a lovely taste. I know Zoe said that I don't like nuts much.
I'm very fussy.
I really like nuts. I try to add nuts in many of my recipes where I like the crunchy taste. Well, let's see. Zoe, you can also taste this one.
Yes. I'll taste it.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. Looks lovely, Zoe.
Yeah.
Commendable. Oh, lovely. You are a good. You're good in decorating it.
Thank you. Right.
Yeah.
For these chocolate sections. So it rises nicely.
Yeah, I hope. Okay. You can use a spoon. Yeah. Good job. Looks lovely. Oops. Yeah. Okay, I think.
Last little bit of this.
Okay, you just cover the brown part. Yeah. Good.
Yeah. And I think it's ready to go in the oven.
Yeah, it's good. Well, look. Can we just sprinkle on top?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, we'll put some of these for decoration. Yeah. Lovely.
Lovely. So it's ready for baking. Okay, our marble cake is ready, and I've checked it also. Let me show it to you guys also. It's all ready. It's a clear toothpick, so that indicates that a marble cake is ready. Okay, then I'm closing the oven, switching it off, and I'll take it out. Whoop. It's lovely. See, you can see the white one. It's a bit brownish on there's a brown tint on the top, and this is the brown one, that the red. It looks lovely. I'll let it be cold because it's hot, and then I'll dish it out and show you guys. It looks lovely. And here is the marble cake. Oat, banana, walnut marble cake. It looks yum, and it's awesome in taste, because we made some cupcakes also, but the remaining of the batter. It was really awesome, really. It's a recipe that's a must try. Check it out, and you can have a lot of you can have a lot of it without even having guilty of having a lot of calories or sugar. There's no sugar in it, okay? And you can omit the the egg allergy. People can also omit eggs. I have been discussing that throughout the video, so guys, do try it. Bye.